Hello everybody, Mountain RC here. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and as always, I appreciate all of the support. In today's video, we are featuring the follow-up of the Eflite ElectroStreak. Now, out of the box, Eflite and Horizon claim that this plane can go upwards over 120 miles an hour out of the box on 4S and up to 100 miles an hour on 3S. We did not seem to think that we were getting those speeds. We didn't put a GPS in there, but we could visibly tell that it wasn't going as fast as we thought it should. Then we learned that Horizon actually released a statement claiming that you can attain upwards to 120 in a slight dive on 4S and up to 100 miles an hour in a slight dive on 3S. Straight and level, you are not going to get those speeds. What they recommend is if you use the APC 810 prop, you will be able to get a straight and level flight at the speeds that the box is claiming that you can get. So we decided to get the 810 prop, do another flight, and like I said, we didn't have a GPS in it this time to be able to get the actual speeds, but we can noticeably tell a difference. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. So this is the new 810 prop. It's supposed to make this thing a little bit faster, so we're gonna try it out and see how it goes. All right, Thomas, let's do it. It definitely sounds different.
Sounds good.
Oh, she's definitely faster. Oh yeah.
It's moving now. Whoa.
She's cooking now, man.
All right. High rates. Okay, stand a little behind me and I'll land it. Coming in, JC.
Well, that'll do it for today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed the flight. If you have any questions about the Eflite ElectroStreak or the 810 prop that we used, please leave it in the comments below. I appreciate you watching and interacting with me. I love responding to all of your questions and comments. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mountain RC.